Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, where we bring you the best in tech and gaming gear. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best Womier keyboard out there, the Womier RD75 Pro. If you're in the market for a top-tier mechanical keyboard with some serious features, this might just be your next upgrade. The RD75 Pro is a 75% layout mechanical keyboard, built with a full CNC aluminum body, ensuring both durability and a premium feel. The keyboard is equipped with a quick-release design, featuring a ball catch structure and a magnetic PCB connector. This makes disassembly and customization incredibly fast and tool-free, so you can switch out parts or clean it up in no time without the need for any screws. When it comes to connectivity, this keyboard has it all. It supports 3 modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections. Whether you're gaming, working, or just typing, you'll appreciate the ultra-low latency across all modes. Bluetooth might offer slightly slower performance, but if you're a serious gamer, you'll love the 2.4 GHz wireless option, which delivers a 4 milliseconds latency. The wired option is even faster, with just a 3 milliseconds response time, making this an excellent choice for competitive gaming. One of the standout features of the RD75 Pro is its hot-swappable design. You can easily swap out switches without any soldering, giving you the freedom to customize the typing experience to your exact preferences. It supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, and comes pre-lubed with POM linear switches, giving you a smooth, quiet typing experience with a satisfying mechanical sound. Plus, the keyboard is gasket-mounted, which softens the bottom-out feel, making long typing sessions more comfortable. Battery life is another impressive aspect of this keyboard. With a massive 8000 mAh battery, you can expect up to 900 hours of use, which is outstanding for a wireless keyboard. This is especially useful if you're someone who doesn't want to constantly recharge or worry about the battery running out during those late-night gaming sessions. The RD75 Pro also features a hidden dongle storage slot, which is a simple yet thoughtful touch. It's located underneath a magnetic metal badge, ensuring your dongle is always safe and accessible without disrupting the clean, minimalist design of the keyboard. Of course, we can't forget about the RGB lighting. This keyboard boasts over 40 preloaded dynamic lighting effects, and you can easily cycle through them using simple shortcuts. Whether you want something vibrant and energetic or a more subdued glow, the RD75 Pro has you covered with its customizable RGB options. If you're after a premium gaming and typing experience with tons of customization options, long battery life, and an overall high-quality build, the Womier RD75 Pro is an exceptional choice. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who enjoys a solid mechanical keyboard, this keyboard is worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews of the best tech products on the market.